right, so I want to make a recap now of the post mobile home mastery. Awesome, absolutely. Our first mobile home mastery open house, invest, and then learn. Look, the concept is there, much like the shadow where you came out and learned by my side. But what made it so much better is the investors, and it always is. It's about the people, it's about the giving back. But these investors came ready, and there were some business people in the room. Just because they don't invest in mobile homes doesn't mean they aren't wealthy, successful, or already doing their own thing. And you can tell the questions, the demeanor, and it's phenomenal. And this is one of many things that makes this so great, is because we all start from so many different places. Think of success like a GPS. We're all destined to a certain location, but we all may be in different locations. But when you surround yourself around like-minded people, you're gonna get there faster. You're gonna make those connections. You're gonna build that network, which equals net worth. Awesome. I was very, very pleased. Humbling to be around all these people that are ready to change their life, a better financial future for themselves, their next generation, their families, and that's what it's about. Keeping number one as priority is to give back, because that's what we're doing. I'm not building real estate investors. I'm building investors that can give back. Join our next event. Stay tuned.